This is my meal for today. Spinach, red pepper, avocado, feta cheese, and here what I have canned salmon with mayo, red pepper, and green onion. Quick and healthy. I kept some of salmon salad from yesterday and half of avocado because it was too much for me yesterday. And for today, I just have this sandwich. This is just a quick meal. So what I have here, I have squid. As you can see, it's not onion rings, it's just squid rings. And I made the dip by mixing mayo, barbecue sauce, and a little bit of ketchup. So that's my meal for today. It's quite light. I'm getting ready for my adventure, and to save money, I'm taking my lunch with me. So what I have homemade bun. I fried a burger, an egg, spinach, spread some mayo, tomato, and that's my cheap lunch. This is my meal for today, soup and sandwich. So what I have egg salad sandwich. What I did, I chopped 3 hard-boiled eggs, a little bit of carrots, tiny pieces, and I put mayo, mustard, as you can see, spinach leaves to have my iron pumping. And the soup, you won't believe it, I was using everything what I had on hand and in the freezer and the fridge. So here what I had a little bit of bok choy, some of mushrooms, enoki mushrooms, carrots, and there is barley because I had some barley in the freezer, and also I had some cooked minced pork. So I added everything together. I had some stock. Let me show you. It's like semi-vegetable soup. Oh, some potatoes. I just added 1 potato. I needed some starch today. So that's my meal for today. Can't wait to have it. This is my lunch for today. So what I did poach a chicken leg. Here I have plain rice, and here I have some kind of fried cabbage. So what I did, it was a piece of cabbage so I had to use. I fried some onion, garlic, some cherry tomatoes, and I added a spoon of sun-dried pesto. And I mixed all together. I added a little bit of sugar, some Italian herbs, and I quickly kind of fried under the lid. I put the lid on my frying pan. And it's actually delicious. And also what I did, I add a little bit of, chicken powder, sorry, mental block. I did add some chicken powder into this, and that's why the taste is really good. It's delicious, actually. So that's my meal for today.